Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? It feels embarrassing, but don't worry, it's completely normal.
That growling sound actually has a scientific name, borborygmi.
When you're hungry, your brain tells your stomach to clean itself and get ready for food. When air and liquid move inside your empty stomach, they create vibrations. And those vibrations make the growling sound. Even if you're not hungry, your stomach cleans itself every 2 hours. That cleaning movement can also make noise. And that's why concentration is key. So next time it happens, don't panic. It's just your body asking for food. Be honest, did it? Follow Brainy Facts channel for more interesting facts.